Another relationship used frequently in databases is called many-to-many relationship. This model is useful when we want to associate more than one thing with more than one other thing. Let's consider orders and how we track them. Our orders table tracks individual orders from customers. There's only one customer per order, and each customer could have more than one order, so that's a one-to-many relationship. But orders can be made up of more than one item. To keep track of which dishes are part of which order, we could start adding columns to the orders table and put dish key in each one. But we shouldn't start adding columns here on the orders table because we don't know what the maximum number of items someone might order is. And if we make 50 columns, one for each potential dish a customer could order, most of our fields will remain blank. To solve this problem efficiently, we'll use a many-to-many relationship. Many orders could have many dishes, and many dishes could be included in many orders. This is what we draw when we discover we need this kind of relationship, a line with a crossfoot on each end. And that is a signal to us that we need to do a little more work. In most DBMS tools, we can't model a many-to-many relationship directly. So we need to create a linking table, which has a one-to-many relationship with both of the tables we want to use. We'll rename it orders dishes. These linking tables are customarily named by combining the table on the left of the many-to-many relationship with the name of the table on the right. The linking table only needs two columns, an order ID and a dish ID. For each item in an order, we will add a row for each dish. Then when we want to call up information about a customer's orders, we will ask the database for rows matching the order numbers. And we will get back a list of dishes, or rather, the dish IDs that were part of each order. It could be just 1, or it could be 5, 10, or 50. Doing this keeps our orders table nice and clean, while allowing us to record details of each order included. And it also lets us easily find out how many orders a particular dish included in. We could create other many-to-many relationships using linking tables for other associations. Like if we wanted to keep track of many dishes that a customer likes, we might create a customer's dishes table. Or if we had a list of ingredients or origins, we could create a dishes ingredients table or a dishes origins table. So we could have that information at our fingertips for printing up detailed menus or adding warnings to the entries on the menu for someone who might be allergic to an ingredient. We could also model a customer's events linking table if a customer attends or is interested in attending various events offered throughout the year. Like previous linking table, this would involve just a customer ID and an event ID with one row for each event the customer plans to attend. And in building this, we will also be able to get a list of which events specific customers are interested in to help us with our planning. Many-to-many relationships are fairly common, but they are really made up of one-to-many relationship with the addition of a linking table. As you model your database, keep in mind that you might need to add in some linking tables to fulfill certain relationships. Remember, to design a database with ER diagrams is an iterative process. You don't have to get it right on your first try.